it's your girl Dar
and Hayden,
and we're your Women's History Month leads.
So come with us to interview your favorite teachers. Joey, Katie, and Michaela, by the way, who's your favorite female teacher at St. Francis?
Dr. Wilkinson.
Why is she your favorite?
You know, she makes the classroom a nice and safe environment.
She's the perfect role model for every St. Francis student.
She's empowering female historians for generations to come.
Hey, my name is Dar, and today we're here with
Dr. Wilkinson.
and we're going to ask her a few questions. So, number one, what is your favorite memory at St. Francis?
My favorite moment at St. Francis, and I apologize ahead of time because it was in a world history class. Actually, Dar was there, so AP World History, we had a lesson on intersectionality and feminism, and it was just this moment where we all came together, and it was just this open sharing about our identities, and that was just a very heartwarming moment.
And that's perfect since it is Women's History Month. Our second question is, what is your favorite thing about being a teacher?
My favorite thing about being a teacher is just really seeing the curiosity and the knowledge kind of happening in my students' eyes as well as their minds. Really, when I start to hear students ask questions, that makes me really happy.
Okay, awesome. And last question is, what is your favorite lesson to teach?
That's really hard because I like a lot of lessons, but I'll go back to that one about feminism as well as identity and how all these different identities, cultural, racial, as well as class background, all these different identities come together.
Okay, awesome. Thank you for having us. Who's your favorite teacher?
Miss Jansen!
Miss Jansen!
Today we're here interviewing
Miss Jansen.
What's your favorite memory as a teacher at St. Francis?
Favorite memory would probably be, as a teacher. Okay, well, I'm also an alum, so I would say my favorite memory is when the Jesuit boys would streak through campus.
What's your favorite thing about being a teacher?
There's so many good things about being a teacher, but my favorite is when the students' light bulbs come on and they have that like aha moment. That's my favorite part, when they get it.
Yeah. What's your favorite lesson plan to teach?
For biology, I love teaching genetics and the genetic mutations, and just because girls are more than willing to share things they've learned about themselves and expressing the traits we have, it's just really fun talking about that. For anatomy and physiology, I love dissecting the cat.
Who's your favorite teacher on campus? Miss Barry! Oh, hey Gia. By the way, who's your favorite female teacher on campus?
Definitely Miss Barry.
Why is she your favorite?
She's super supportive and sweet, and everything she says just clicks for me.
Who's your favorite female teacher on campus?
Miss Hardy.
Why is she your favorite?
I feel like she really inspires me to try my hardest in her English course especially, and the lessons that she teaches are also really interesting to me, so I really enjoy that.
Guys, it's Dar, and today I'm here with
Miss Hardy.
and we're going to ask her a few questions. So, number one, what is your favorite memory at St. Francis?
I think it'd have to be my first St. Francis Day. The theme was Dr. Seuss, and the costumes were just out of the park. I'd never experienced anything like that.
Well, that's amazing. Our second question is, what is your favorite thing about being a teacher?
I love the opportunity to take a student who might not have known much or cared much or thought much about English, about books, about writing, and get them to see other levels, other ideas within it, and get them to get excited about reading. I love that.
That's very inspiring. Third question is, what is your favorite lesson plan?
That have to be the chair lesson in philosophy and literature. That's all I
What is
can
a chair?
say. Right? What is a chair? Yeah. That's all I can say about it. It's very secret.
Okay, we'll leave you guys with that question.